In a large bowl, I have 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, and to this, I'm going to add half a cup of flaxseed powder. I'm using golden flaxseed. And to this, I'm going to add 1 cup of dried cranberries, or you could use raisins or any other dried fruit. And next, I'm going to add 1 cup of unsweetened coconut powder. You could use shredded coconut. Next, I'm adding half a cup of mini chocolate chips. You could also use white chocolate chips, regular sized chocolate chips, or you could skip the chocolate chip altogether and add some chopped nuts instead. So I'm just going to give all of this a quick mix. As an optional step, I'm also adding 1/4 of a cup of wheat germ. This is completely optional. I just wanted to add in a little bit more fiber, but you could skip this altogether. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of nut butter. This is my homemade nut butter with just almonds and walnuts and a little bit of hazelnut, but you could use any kind of nut butter you wish. To this, I'm adding 2/3 of a cup of honey. This is a little sweet, so if you like to reduce the sweetness, you could just go with half a cup of honey. So we're gonna mix all of our ingredients together into this sticky kind of a mixture. And I didn't add any salt because I had used salted nut butter, but if you don't use salted nut butter, then add half a teaspoon of salt. Mixture. Next, I'm going to wet my hands and just take a little bit of the mixture and roll them into walnut-sized balls, like so. This recipe gave me about 35 walnut-sized balls. They're ready and you can eat them right away, but it's best if you chill them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to an hour before you eat them. They become a little bit firmer. And actually they're best the day after because all the flavors kind of marry each other. These will last in an airtight container outside at room temperature for at least a week, if not more. But if you're making a bigger batch, put it in an airtight container and pop it in the fridge, and they'll last easily for up to a month. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Say a little prayer and share it below.